On Saturday, Rahul Gandhi ji was there in Assam in the district of Borpeta to flag off a peace and development yatra, Padyatra. At the beginning of the Padyatra, he wanted to visit the historic Vaishnavite Satra, Borpeta Satra, and take the blessings. The BJP and RSS, unfortunately, were trying over the past 2 days to somehow bar Rahul Gandhi ji from entering into that Vaishnavite Satra. And on that day itself, they had their women workers come in and sit on the steps and prevent Rahul Gandhi ji from entering. At that point, we decided that given that there are thousands of people gathered there, we don't want to create any incident whereby the peace and law and order of that situation is disturbed. And we started the Padyatra. The BJP leader Himanta Biswa Sarma immediately wanted to take political mileage and held a press conference saying that Rahul Gandhi ji insulted the Borpeta Satra by not going inside. Why was he waiting for this? And then later in the evening, when Rahul Gandhi ji went inside, finished his day's campaigning, went to the same Borpeta Satra, those protesters were not there.
তখনৰ বহুত নিয়ম কানুন আছে তাত গাও ধুব লাগে ধুতি পিন্ধিব লাগে এটা পৰম্পৰাগত আছে নহয় জানো গতিকে আমাৰ নেতা সেইটো বিচাৰা নাই যে ধৰ্মৰ মাজত কোনো আঘাত নকৰো কাৰণ যেহেতু মই এটা সুৰোধ কৰিছো অচৰতে আহিছো এটা পাক পবিত্ৰ হৈ পেলাই গাও ধুই তাতে সত্ৰখনৰ এটা বেলেগ নিয়ম কানুন আছে নহয় যেতিয়া যেতিয়া আপুনি সত্ৰখনত যাব নোৱাৰে গতিকে সেইটো আমি কৈছো আমি যিসকল কংগ্ৰেছৰ নেতৃবৃন্দ আমি কৈছো যে এইটো এটা পাক পবিত্ৰ কাৰণ সময় ইমানটো মিটিং হৈছে